Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to look at another health drink. This is specifically for the blood. So we're going to make a smoothie that is going to target anemia. So this green juice and smoothie, I will have loved to use green grapes, but now the problem is that they're not in season, but still the red grapes play the same role. So this is a green juice and smoothie that is favorable in the production of the red blood. So for our ingredients, we're going to use spinach, we're going to use 2 kiwi, we're going to use 2 apples, we're also going to use avocado, and as a sweetener I'm going to use the dates. I'm also going to add a flavor of rosemary just to give it a sweet aroma. So to start, I'm going to highlight the properties of this. So the spinach and the avocado combined with grapes and kiwi are essential because they are anti-anemic, they are antidepressants, so they are also an energizer. So they are an alkalizer, so in case someone with cancer can take this as well. So they are very low in cholesterol, so this also makes them efficient as an health drink. So to start, the green color of these plants is due to their chlorophyll content. It's a magnesium based pigment, and the red coloring of the blood is due to hemoglobin and an iron-based pigment. So the structure is similarity between the chlorophyll and the hemoglobin molecules is peculiar. So they have like a similar structure. Possibly for that reason, that is why these clean colored leaves, that is the spinach and avocado and partly the kiwi, are important in promoting blood production. Moreover, all these ingredients of this green smoothie provide an iron, indispensable minerals which are also essential for the blood. So kiwi is one of the fruit richest in vitamin C, which promotes the absorption of the iron that is in spinach and the avocado, and maybe the apple as well. So overall, this smoothie has an invigorating and revitalizing effect, not only for those who are suffering from anemia, but anyone that requires to do a supplement dose for the energy that is in these fruits. So this smoothie is a nutritional and delicious drink that suitable for those who are suffering from the anemia, and that is just to emphasize if you're also suffering from depression and sometimes even from chronic fatigue. This is an essential aspect. So to do this, I'll just clear my table so that we can go ahead and start. So I'm going to use 2 medium-sized kiwi. So this is our kiwi, but I'm going to remove the peel. So after adding the kiwi, I'm going to go ahead and add the avocado. Yeah, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the dates. So I've removed the seeds, these are seedless. I'll go ahead and add 1 cup of grapes. If you have grape juice, you can as well use that. I'll add the spinach. It should be 1 cup of spinach. My blender is a bit small, so I'll go ahead and blend this before I can add the other ingredients. Yeah, so to assist in blending, I'm going to add a full glass of water. And add the remaining spinach and the apple. So we have our Green Antianemic Smoothie. I'm going to go ahead and fill it up into our jar so that we can drink it. So this perfect smoothie contains around 14% calories, 44% sugar, 11% fats, then it has sodium as well, and protein, which is around 5%, fiber around 24%. Yeah, so you just got to enjoy this and it's really beautiful and sweet.